Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Openai and confirming your identity. Once signed in, go straight to billing. You must add a payment method, enter card details or business billing information. Make sure 2FA is enabled and your email is verified so the purchase flow proceeds without interruption. Once the card is saved, review the default spending limits and set any immediate guardrails. This gets you past the initial blockers and prepares the account for API key provisioning. Now you complete the purchase step. Choose a plan or top up your account balance and confirm the charge. This enables programmatic access. Once the transaction clears, navigate to the Developer or API Keys page. You will create a new secret API key, click Create, label the key for your project, then immediately copy the secret value. Store it in a secure vault or environment variable. The key won't be fully shown again. This ensures you have a usable key for requests. Finish by testing the key with a minimal API request to confirm authentication. Check response headers and usage metrics. If requests fail, make sure your billing limits aren't hit and that the card used is authorized for international or online transactions. Adjust spending caps or permissions in billing if needed. If you remain blocked, verify your email, 2FA, and identity documentation. Contact support with transaction reference only after confirming those items. This one tip usually resolves most purchase issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.